up, Enduro fam? Rob here, MotoLapDirtBikes.com. Love them or hate them, the electric bikes are here to stay. So one of the best and most well-sorted bikes out there are really the Stark Varg. So it's a brand new Stark Varg EX. So 18-inch rear wheel, kickstand, headlights, blinkers and such. So it's actually in here, we're going to lower it for a customer. So KYB suspension, it's been virtually unchanged since 2007, so 2007, 2008. So nothing new there, but I wanted to bring your attention to some of the fork lugs, I should say some, most all, of any KYB factory fork lug is going to crush around the axle and not allow the fork lug to float on the axle. I'm going to show you what I mean here in a second. And this is critical, right? Because if your forks are drawn out of parallel, so this particular right fork leg right here, you can see an enormous amount of axle sticking out, and this is a huge red flag right here. So someone just didn't assemble it correctly. That's not a big deal. It's easy to fix, but this is a critical detail that you will absolutely need to pay attention to. Because you could have the best suspension valving and spring setup, but if you make a critical mistake like this, it could handle like dog crap. So we're going to go ahead and loosen this stuff. I'm going to show you that just loosening this alone is not enough to let that thing slide on there. So pay attention. I mean, we're sitting about 3.5, 4 millimeters, and so I'm going to even push on the front end. Nothing. So what you need to do is gently insert a small flathead taper screwdriver and then just tap on it, and then keep your eyes peeled on that thing right there. Look at that. Did you see that jump? So now it's flush with there. So a 3.5, a 4 millimeter inset on there would be like riding an absolute jackhammer. So this is absolutely critical, and just goes to show you that just because your suspension's done doesn't mean that's the end game. A lot of this stuff is really left up to you, the end user, to A, make sure it's installed correctly, and then also B, that your bike is maintained. We've come across situations where customers struggle, and here come to find out the linkage bearings were rust powder inside there. So you got to make sure that your machine is maintained, and then installation things like these are sorted. So just a little tip there. Overall, beautiful machine. There's lots of aftermarket support coming on board for these things. So anyway, I think I'm going to keep it a little bit more short-winded for you guys. Appreciate y'all, and we'll see you on the next one.